Imagine turning just $1,000 into a fortune that can change your entire life. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you thousands of people your age are already doing it, and you're missing out? In the next 6 minutes, I'll guide you step by step on how to invest $1,000 in stocks the smart way. No confusing jargon, no risky bets. Just clear, proven strategies to build your path to financial freedom in 2025. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know where to put your money, but how to make it work for you, and why waiting any longer might cost you more than you think. Let's face it, the world is moving fast. And if you're between 18 and 30, you probably feel the pressure to get rich quick, or at least secure a solid financial future. But most of us are stuck wondering, where do I start? Or, what if I lose it all? The fear of mistakes keeps us frozen, while others are quietly growing their wealth. That's the harsh truth. Hesitation costs you time and money. Every day you wait, you lose the power of growth, the magic of compounding, and the chance to turn that $1,000 into something much bigger. Have you ever wondered why some people's money seems to work even while they sleep? Hint, it's not luck. First, you need a trusted partner, your brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. In 2025, apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or E-Trade offer commission-free trades and beginner-friendly tools. But don't just pick any platform. Look for low fees, strong security, and features that help you learn as you go. Your brokerage isn't just a tool, it's your financial ally. Unless you want your money to take a roller coaster ride with hidden fees. And trust me, nobody enjoys that thrill. Now that your gateway is ready, let's talk about what to actually buy. Many beginners get stuck deciding between individual stocks or ETFs. Here's the truth. Individual stocks can bring big gains, but come with higher risks. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, spread your investment across many companies, reducing risk. For $1,000, ETFs are often the best starting point. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Why risk it all on one company when you can have a slice of dozens? Unless you're secretly a billionaire with insider tips, ETFs are your friend. All right, strategy is set. Now, how do you pick the right stocks or ETFs? Don't let the word research scare you. It's simpler than you think. Use free tools like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance to check a company's financial health, growth history, and future outlook. Look for companies with steady earnings and strong leadership. Avoid hype and buzzwords. Invest in what you understand. Your money deserves the best. Think of it like dating. You wouldn't commit without checking the basics first, right? Once you've done your homework, it's time for the golden rule. Never put all your $1,000 into one stock. Diversification is your safety net. Spreading your investment reduces the risk of a total loss. Even if one stock dips, others can keep your portfolio steady. For beginners, this means picking a few ETFs or mixing individual stocks with ETFs to balance growth and safety. Because betting everything on one stock is like betting all your chips on red at a roulette table. Thrilling, but not smart money. And finally, the secret that separates winners from quitters. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Starting with $1,000 is great, but the real power lies in consistency. Set a habit to add regularly to your investments. Even $50 a month makes a huge difference over time. Time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow exponentially. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because that moment might never come. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to build your future. Now you know the exact steps to turn $1,000 into your financial foundation. Remember, smart investing is about knowledge, patience, and action. If you're serious about growing your wealth, don't stop here. Watch my next video on the power of compounding, the secret sauce behind every billionaire's success. Click the link on your screen now and take your first step towards real financial freedom. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today.